I am here because the biggest struggle inside of my marriage is intimacy and polarity and attraction. Like my wife is my best friend, but that's the one piece of our relationship that's been a struggle.
That whole lover relationship has kind of fizzled out over the last few years. We've been married for 6 years. Just working on the polarity, feminine, masculine, kind of like the attraction and everything. If we can, move from the friends to lovers area, it will just transform everything.
I came this weekend because I'm excited to grow. I have attended this several times before, and every time I learn some amazing things and get some amazing support to have growth in my life.
I love working with Jennie and Jason because they are, all of their practices you can feel in your body. Like you do it and it's like it's something that you can talk to someone about, and then when you actually do the exercises, and then it's like, oh, this is something that connects with myself as a human.
I think part of it is I haven't really ever explored my sexuality in an energetic sense. Just the way I was raised, that wasn't really ever talked about, or I didn't really even know that it existed. It wasn't something that was in my realm of experience. And so in that sense, I realized I have a lot of things to work through simply because I haven't ever gone to that plane or that realm.
And so we practice this. He'll practice presence, she'll practice energy, practice presence and energy. So give each other a bow, and everyone give them a hand.
Think about when you're at work and you're getting really focused on something and you become really tense because you're right in on something like a laser, getting shit done. There's a tension to that. It's useful, we use it to get shit done. But your woman is not going to like that tension in intimacy.
This guy's gonna be the guilt that I carry over. Not being able to give my children an undivorced childhood.
Does anybody feel any degree of pain with this wall between them? So in this moment, I would like you, to the best of your ability, to show that pain through your eyes.
You're in a very intimate practice with someone, and all of a sudden something comes up for me, and I bolt
Like, I just completely dropped that person who's standing in front of me. And granted, I may be going through something that's incredibly gnarly, but that's also the practice. You know, I mean, that's life. Shit's gonna come up, and again, I need to be aware of myself to say, I'm still with you.
And to be in that situation and like, it went into like autopilot. I was like, wow, I didn't know that I could do that. And I'm like, we flipped over on the floor. I was like, I'm out of here, but this is instinctual. We're just kidding. And like to know that like that's something that was missing like when I was younger, like when I got married, is like I didn't have a group of women who were like, do you really want this? And are you willing to fight for this? And is the man willing to fight for this? And like I miss that piece of like having the female tribe to like counterbalance that. And like that like moving forward is something like I want to take with me. Like, I want a group of women who like, even if they're there and like they're like, all right, you bro, you want her? Like you gotta get through us. Like show us that you want it before you get like permission to get past us.
This isn't something that you can read in a book, like you have to experience. And for me, it's like giving me the space to really like tap into my feminine side that I don't let out a lot. And creating space with my partner so that we can come together and like just have something magical that we haven't been able to create outside of here.
Emotions are energy. And energy can get stuck in our bodies. And if we don't have the tools to be able to move that energy through our bodies and out of us, then it can just rumble up and come out in anger, like spewing anger without control.
Through your back, into their back.
Oh!
One couple down.
I mean, I was sobbing one minute and then laughing and then screaming and like it just moving my body the way my body wanted to move. I processed years worth of shit, like, which was amazing, and there wasn't even any talking.
Yesterday, we saw the healing power of water, and then the earth has healing powers as well. This is a declaration that you all just made, but now you're gonna have to follow through. And here comes the fucking storm, and it's gonna test you. And some of you, if you aren't careful, are gonna be out there in the middle of the night with a fucking flashlight digging that goddamn obstacle back up. Sneaking off to home with it cradled to your chest. What's the work? You're going to dismantle that wall, all of you, on your, in whatever way you want, and stack those bricks back up there. I don't care how much fucking rain comes, just do the work.